Good morning, Aaliyah here. We're diving into the Abraham Hicks daily quote because that's what we do. Law of Attraction, Abraham Hicks, amazing resources out there, but sometimes some of us could use a little bit extra explanation. So that's what we're doing here in these videos. Let's dive in. I'm going to cut out a piece of today's quote to try to make it even simpler. So here we go. Others' opinions are less important than my personal guidance system. You did not intend to replace your emotional guidance system with the opinions of your parents, even if they were in harmony with their emotional guidance system in the moment of their trying to guide you. It was much more important to you to recognize the existence of your own guidance system and to utilize it than to be deemed correct by or to find approval from others. So what is this emotional guidance system? Abraham Hicks is using this term all the time, the emotional GPS. This is going to tie in and bring your understanding about law of attraction to the next level. Law of attraction is not just this general idea that you can create, you can have whatever you want. You're responsible for everything in your life. If you say something, if you want something, just believe you can have it. That's too superficial. The emotional guidance system is acknowledging that the energy that manifests everything is the same energy as your emotion. Crickets, right? Okay, what I'm saying here is when you feel an emotion, that emotion is a little ball of energy that is being pulsed out there. That is the energy that is doing the manifesting, that is doing the attracting. So there's no difference in talking about emotions or energy. And so when we talk about the emotional GPS, we're talking about the fact that your emotions, if you are feeling good, if you are feeling bad, that is your body's way, that is the universe's way of telling you, yes, this way, no, that way. Yes, this way, no, that way. And so the essence of this quote is to tell us that we have our own guidance system. We do not need approval from others. We do not need to be affected by others. We don't, even if those other people are in line with their guidance system, right? Even if they are in alignment with themselves and their message to you, you need not anything but yourself. You need not anything other than being in tune with yourself and saying, does this path feel good or does this path feel good? And so this alleviates everything, right? This is giving ourselves permission to not be bought into the lessons of our parents, to not really care about what our peers are thinking. This is about saying if we want to live this sweet life of utilizing law of attraction to its fullest, we need nothing but our own ability to pay attention to our energy. One caveat here, if your energy is low, do not trust what you feel like doing or not. Because if your energy is low, you tend to want to do things that match you at low. So if you find yourself as low as you get and you feel like sleeping on the couch, then you may not want to trust that that is the best action. The best action at that point is anything that can help you feel a little bit better. Now, if taking a nap on the couch is going to allow you to relax and allow you to kind of reset, great, go for it. But what we want to do is move a little bit up from our lowest and then start paying attention. What is the inspiration here? What do I feel like doing here? Because when we're feeling pretty good, what we feel like doing is the sign of where to go on our path. When we're feeling really good and we don't feel like doing something, that's the universe's way of telling us that thing is not helpful to your journey or your path or what you ultimately want. So thank you for being with me. This is what I do here. I teach law of attraction. Part of how I do that is explain Abraham quotes, but you can find other meditations, other excerpts from events that I host, and learn the nuances, because you can't just learn high-level concepts of law of attraction and expect to get results. You need to understand the nuances. You need to understand exactly how and when to know whether it's working or not and how to adjust. That's what I teach here. So subscribe, hit the bell so you get the notifications. Check out the link tree in the About section. That's going to bring you to a page that will link you to everywhere you can find me. Meetup, where I have free classes, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook group, all that stuff. I'm very passionate on helping you bridge the gap between learning law of attraction and actually doing it. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.